99% of people using Suno AI are making straight-up mid-songs. And it's not because it sucks, it's because they have no idea what they're doing. They type "sad song" and expect a Grammy, whereas there are people using the same tool and getting studio-level results. The difference is how they are using it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it better than those people to level up your results. Stick around because by the end of this video, your songs are going to sound completely different. So let's jump in. First thing first, what do most people actually do when they open Suno? They type something like "sad" or "romantic song" and hit generate and hope it to sound good, which can be a hit or a miss. It is like telling a music producer, "Yo, bro, make me a song," without describing the vibe and providing the direction. And this is where the change is needed. Instead of treating Suno like a sound toy, you need to start treating it like a music producer that needs clear direction. To do it, think of 4 most important things while giving your idea. These things are mood, genre, energy, and sound. You need to stack all 4 to get a quality result. So I will type "emotional, slow, sad song," soft piano in the background, low energy, reflective mood, female voice about heartbreak, and hit generate. Let's see what it has generated.
I made 2 cups of coffee, then poured yours down the sink. Set 1 plate on the table, too tired to even think. Your sweater on the armchair, still holding how you leave. I talk into the quiet, it answers me with grief. There's an empty chair across from me, where your laughter used to be. I keep reaching for a hand that isn't there to hold me. Every shadow in this room knows how much I still care. I'm not living, I'm just breathing across from your empty chair. There's an empty chair across from me, where your laughter used to be. I keep reaching for a hand that isn't there to hold me. Every shadow in this room knows how much I still care. I'm not living, I'm just breathing. I'm sitting here, still believing. You walk back to that empty chair.
Okay, hold on. I honestly did not expect it to be this good. Like, this already sounds way better just by fixing direction. And that's crazy, because if this is the result with just 1 small change, imagine what happens if I start controlling how the song actually flows. And that brings us to the next thing, which is structure. Right now, most people let Suno decide the lyrics and flow of the song. But if you want your song to have custom lyrics and feel like real, you need to guide the flow by breaking the lyrics into parts like verse, chorus, and bridge. It tells Suno how the song should flow. Now see these tags written in square brackets. A verse is where the story builds. A chorus is the main catchy part that repeats. And things like bridge are where the song switches it up a bit. Now, when you generate this, Suno actually understands the flow of each part and the song feels more structured and real. Hear this.
I've been staring at your empty side of the bed. Memories playing over in my head. I still call your name in the dark, hoping you'll pick up where we left our hearts. Every little thing just reminds me of you. Even silence feels a little too loud. I still call your name in the dark.
Now at this point, your song sounds clean, it has direction, it has proper flow, but there's still one big problem. you're still relying on whatever Suno gives you in one go, like you generate once and just accept it. And this is where most people stay stuck. This is where you need to start using the extend feature. Instead of generating a full song and hoping everything is good, listen carefully and find that one part that actually seems good. Maybe it's the intro or the chorus, and then extend that part. To use this, select the song and click on Extend through this dropdown. Now you can see the Audio tab on the left side, where I have a slider to select the Keep and Recreate part of the song. What this feature actually does is it carries forward the best vibe of your song. So I will select this and click on Create. Hear the extended version. Have you noticed that it literally picked up that same melody and vibe? Like, it continued the humming perfectly. If you liked it and want the full version of it, you can get it by clicking here on the Get Full Song. Now at this point, you're already in more control than before. Like, you're not just generating random songs anymore, but you're actually shaping them. Till now, you understood the lyrics and style section, but there is still more to it. By clicking on more options, you literally have sliders to control things like weirdness, style influence, and vocal gender. Let me show you how to use it. I will keep style and lyrics same, but here in gender, now I will change it to male. Since we already gave lyrics, so I will keep it to manual only. Now here comes the game changer settings. Weirdness is how much flexibility you want to give to AI. You can set it high to expect unexpected results. And style influence is how strictly you want it to follow the style you described. So let's generate and listen.
I've been staring at your empty side of the bed. Memories playing over in my head. I still call your name in the dark, hoping you pick up where we left our hearts. Every little thing just reminds me of you. Even silence feels a little too loud. I still call your name in the dark, hoping you pick up where we left our hearts. I still call your name. 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 I still call your name in the dark, hoping you pick up where we left our hearts. Still call your name in the dark. I still call your name in the dark.
Was this perfect? Probably not. But you can give it multiple shots and get what you want. And at this point, you've basically unlocked how to make good songs, like genuinely good ones. But then I realized Suno isn't just about making songs. It actually gives you everything around it too, like stuff most people completely ignore. Like for example, this cover art section right here. You can literally generate cover image for your song. So I will type this prompt. Sad girl sitting alone at a coffee shop table, empty chair across from her, soft lighting, moody atmosphere, cinematic, realistic. You see this little pencil icon right here? Click this to enhance idea for cover image. Now let's hit generate. These are the two options it gave. I will select the one I like and click on Save as Cover Image. And now it has been updated here. Then you can also publish your song directly on Suno, where other people can listen to it. To do it, click on these three dots and select Publish. You have title here, and you can add caption if you want, so I will add this. You can edit your lyrics if you want, but I will keep this same. I will allow comments and remixing, pin to profile, and then finally publish. Now if you go to your profile, you can see this song has been published and pinned as well. You can even organize the songs you create in different workspace by clicking here. By default, all tracks are saved inside default My Workspace, but you can create a new workspace as well. And of course, download everything you create. So, you learn to give clear direction and control the structure while building your track using the Extend feature instead of relying on one shot. And finally, use those fine-tuning controls to dial everything. And once you start using Suno like this, everything changes. Because then you will not just build, but shape and control the song. And that's the difference between people who get mid results and people who make stuff that actually hits. And if you think this is crazy, wait till you see how people are using AI to build full apps and tools from scratch. I covered that in this video. You should definitely check that out. If this video helped you learn something, drop a like and subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next one.